Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On my previous video, I taught you how to install Python, right? So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to install or import Numpy to Python. Okay? So the very first part here, of course, make sure you have Python installed on your PC. To do so, please visit on my previous video. It's going to be how to install Python. If you install it, just make sure to type in Python right here. If you see this kinds of application, then you have Python on your PC. Now the next step is, of course, please follow me as I go through here. Take notes if you want. Now open command prompt. It's gonna be easy as going to the search bar, type in CMD, click enter. This is the command prompt. The first thing we're gonna type in is, of course, type in Python. Once you have Python right there, click a little space, dash dash version. Okay, I'm gonna go slow here, slow and steady. So if you're getting nervous, getting overwhelmed because this is a bit of coding, this is not actually coding, guys. It's just a bit of programming. We're asking the PC what version of Python we have. Click enter, and as you can see there, it's going to be 3.11.4, which is the latest version of Python. If ever you don't have the latest version of Python, please go back on your Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, just a regular browsing history or browser, and install Python as it is. Now, since I have Python properly installed here, I'm going to type in right now python.exe space, there's a space, guys. It's pretty important about the space, dash m space pip. Okay? And once I have that already, I'm just going to type in install, again space, dash dash upgrade pip. I'm just making sure I have the latest version here of pip and Python available on my end. Okay? Click on enter, give it a second. Defaulting user installation becomes normal site package not reliable. Requirement already satisfied. Because since I have the latest version of Python, it says here requirement already satisfied, pip, and C, it's gonna be the 3.11.4 version. Since I have this one, let me just clear this, CLS, go back to the beginning. Now let's install pip, since we have the latest version of Python already. Now, that being said, just type in py space dash m pip install numpy. Okay? Easy as that. I'm gonna go slow here. Let me just sort of the edge right there. And click on enter. Give it a second. It's actually downloading right now, installing, collecting packages, numpy, etc. and so on and so forth. Just give it a few seconds. If you see this, your computer name, say users, whatever you have for your computer name already, that means numpy is already done. That being said, if you're done here, the next step is, of course, pull out idle. Just type in idle there. You're going to have this application opened up. This one right here. Once here, it's easy as typing import space numpy space as and p. Easy as that. Click on enter, and there you go. You have numpy already installed on your Python application. Easy as that. So step 1, of course, make sure you have the latest version. Step 2, if you don't, upgrade it. If you upgrade it, just type in this install numpy. And lastly, of course, import the package to your Python application. I hope I taught you something here. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe so I can make more videos for you guys. And stay safe out there.